Framing of the charges for the murder of 3 Sikhs and burning of Gurdwara against Jagdish Thakur. The victims have been saying now almost 40 years that they have seen Jagdish Thakur. He was leading the mob, and under his instructions, the Gurdwara was set on fire and the 3 Sikhs was burnt alive. But unfortunately, due to his political pressure and money power, no case was started against him initially, though his name has been appearing right from very beginning. It is only after the Nanavati Commission report, that is in 2005, that the case was registered against him, and that time he was the Union Minister, so he resigned at that time, and then the case was signed to the CBI for investigation. And unfortunately, CBI hurriedly filed a closure report in 2007. In October 2007, without conducting proper investigation. We challenged it in the court, and we informed the court that the proper investigation had not been conducted, and in December, after 2 months, in December 2007 itself, the court rejected that closure report and directed the CBI to carry out the further investigation. Then again in 2009, March 2009, just before the parliament elections, again the CBI filed the closure report and the Congress gave the ticket to Jagdish Thakur. And after that, a journalist threw his shoe on the Home Minister. Then after that, after a lot of public hue and cry, the ticket was withdrawn. The second closure report also be challenged in the court, and the court rejected that second closure report also and directed the CBI to conduct further investigation. Third time again, in December 2014, the CBI again filed the closure report. And this time again we challenged it. We showed to the court that what are the lacunas, how the CBI has not conducted a proper investigation. On 4th December 2015, the court rejected the third closure report, and then the court passed the order that now the court will monitor investigation. Then after that, the CBI conducted the proper investigation and they collected the evidence. Then they filed the charge sheet against Jagdish Thakur. Now after that, there were arguments on that charge sheet. Jagdish Thakur said that he was with Rajiv Gandhi on 1st November. He was at Teen Murti House, and he also produced the videos of Doordarshan. So we challenged it that these videos shows that he was only intermittently there, and then the CBI also examined Amitabh Bachchan, because Amitabh Bachchan was present there. Amitabh Bachchan said, I was there, but I didn't see Titler. So on the basis of this, we told the court that this plea of alibi by Jagdish Thakur is not a valid plea. So the court should not go by this, and the charges should be framed. After hearing our argument, the court framed the charge against him for the murder of 3 Sikhs and burning of the Gurdwara. Now the case will go against him, and we are quite hopeful that he will also be in jail. Like Sajjan Kumar is in jail since last 6 years now, and we are quite hopeful that he also will in jail soon.
देश दुनिया की हर खबर सबसे पहले देखने के लिए फॉलो करें दैनिक सवेरा टीवी, यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, एक्स और व्हाट्सएप चैनल पर।